people complain that you snore like a generator every night? It might not be as harmless as you think. Snoring happens when air struggles to pass through your throat while you are sleeping, causing the tissues to vibrate. Sometimes it is caused by sleeping on your back, being overweight, a blocked nose, or drinking alcohol before bed. But here is the important part. If your snoring comes with choking, gasping, or pauses in breathing, it could be a warning sign of sleep apnea, a condition that can increase your risk of high blood pressure, heart disease, or stroke if left untreated. So, don't ignore loud, persistent snoring. Try sleeping on your side, maintain a healthy weight, and see a healthcare professional if the symptoms continue. Do you snore, or do you sleep beside someone who does? Tell us in the comments and follow Backyard Nurse for simple health tips.